Hello, welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. My name is Charlotte and today we're taking you through this brand new Volkswagen vehicle. Fresh in stock, we do have the sensational Volkswagen Golf GTI Clubsport that does come in a sleek, deep black exterior, highlighted by your contrasting GTI styling all round. As this is a brand new model, it does come in exceptional condition with your 2-litre petrol engine, making it the ideal nippy and sporty upgrade for any individual. Fully equipped with more than enough advanced features all round, including your IQ LED matrix headlights for enhanced visibility ahead. You do also have your 18-inch alloys with your red calipers, along with your GTI body styling. You do even have your power folding and heated door mirrors for added protection, along with your parking sensors and more than enough space in your boot area to house all your day-to-day items and travel plans, with an extra storage pocket just below. Step inside to a world of luxury with your part leather, part suede finish for absolute comfort all round, with your handy pull-down armrests. Following in your front, you do have your contrasting red accents throughout, really enhancing that sporty edge, alongside your multifunctional full leather steering wheel for driver convenience. You do also have your central touch display to provide a full entertainment all round. Just opposite, you will find your stylish R-line front seats with your complementing GTI badging. To seamlessly navigate around your vehicle, you do have your mounted audio controls, including your adaptive cruise control and even your heated steering wheel option for those cold winter conditions. Of course, you do have your options to navigate around your digital cockpit screen and display a whole range of vital driving data, including your front assist. You do also have your navigation and audio control, so this is much less distracting when you are driving, so you don't need to take your eyes off the road. You do also have your mileage and fuel consumption there as well. And moving across into your central display screen for quick connection, you do have your wireless app connect, compatible with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You do also have your user profile selection to store all your preferences as well for that personalized touch. To keep you entertained, you do have a whole range of radio stations to choose from, alongside your Bluetooth connection to listen to your own preferred audio as well. For those who love to explore or those in a hurry, you do also have your built-in navigation system equipped with your nearby points of interest in an emergency. And to really enhance the ambient glow, you do have a selection of mood lighting, including 30 different colour choices, really giving it that personalised edge and enhancing that sporty look to the vehicle. To ensure the vehicle is safe to drive and in top condition at all times, you do have your vehicle status option, including your servicing and checks. You do also have your status and data, so you can ensure all parts of the vehicle are in excellent condition. So you do also have your front and rear parking sensors when you do pop the car into reverse, alongside your drive mode selection, including your comfort, eco and sport modes for that enhanced performance. Following this, you do have your 2 handy power outlets, followed by your 2 cup holders and a small storage pocket just below your armrest. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. If you would like any further information regarding this vehicle, please give our team a call number 61885 3994 or inquire online now.